Welcome to Cukmekerb's coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to add an install link for your Firefox extension to your website because Chrome has a great API for this, but Firefox doesn't. And if you just put a link to the file that's not on Mozilla, it hasn't been signed by Mozilla, and so Firefox says it's corrupted. So I couldn't find how to do it any other way, so I'm going to show you how. To get started, pop open your text editor or whatever you prefer to use to write HTML. I accidentally opened my file manager, not my text editor. That was a mistake. Alright, now open an A tag and go to your browser. Open a new tab in the browser and find your Firefox extension. I'm going to paste the link into my latest Firefox extension and wait for it to load. It's still loading. Hurry up and load. This is slow. Just keep waiting and waiting. Just keep on waiting. It loaded. Okay. Alright, so right-click this Add to Firefox button. And then this menu will appear. Click the button that says Copy Link Location. Copy. Alright, now that we've copied the link, we can pop open our text editor again, then add a ref attribute to our A tag, equals, and then in quotes, we paste the link to this, and then you end up with the link to your extension. And then this is the version that has been signed by Mozilla, so it won't be marked as corrupt. You can type whatever. Click here to install the best thing ever! Exclamation marks. Alright, close that A tag. Save your file. I'm going to call it addon link.html. I'm going to save it in this folder right here. Save. And now I'm going to go back to my browser, pop open a new tab in it. I'm going to find my file manager now and find the file. Where is it? Here it is, addon link.html. Drag it into the browser and close that, and here's my link. Now all you gotta do is click on it and wait a second and keep waiting because I have a slow internet connection. Just fast forward. There it is. This site would like to install an add-on in Firefox, dinosaur game for Firefox. Then just hit install and that's it. It's been installed. See, got the add-on right there. You can make this look like a button with CSS. And yeah, hopefully you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Go to my website at cukmekerb.gq. Check out Kid Z at the bottom right corner of this video. He's a vlogger, he's cool. And remember, love is what makes a Subaru a Subaru.